Welcome to my channel. For today's video, why I'm holding my hands up like this? For today's video, I was thinking, since I take forever doing my makeup on a good day, and when I say on a good day, I mean like it takes 14 minutes just to do my eyebrows on a good day. Why, I don't know. I don't know why I take my sweet time. In my mind, I always feel like I'm hurrying up, but I am not. So for today's video, I was thinking I will do a 10-minute full face fall inspired makeup look. And the reason I'm doing this right here is because it sounds impossible to me, but I want to do that. I want to try it because it sounds like fun. In my mind, I'm also planning on putting on fake eyelashes and maybe doing liner, foundation, concealer, all that in 10 minutes. Quick disclaimer over here. This is not a makeup tutorial, nor am I trying to show off my mediocre makeup skills. This is just a fun video to see of how fast it will, or how slow it will take me to do this. So 10 minutes, stopwatch, no, timer. Oh, gosh, I feel like these are going to be the quickest 10 minutes ever. I don't want to hit start. I have glitter on my nose. Okay, what foundation? Okay. All right. I'm procrastinating. Here. Start. Okay. I will take my NARS, whatever it is, Sheer Glow foundation. I will, you know what? I'm just gonna use my dag on my hand because it doesn't work so well with the hands. Oh my gosh. You know I'm in a hurry when I do my foundation before my, oh shit. You know I'm in a hurry when I do my foundation before I do my brows because it never happens. I don't know why I'm thinking I'm gonna be wearing lashes because okay. I feel like this is blended enough. Next, brows. Brush this up. Oh my gosh, this is my dirty ass little spoolie brush on the end of my eyebrow pencil. Where's my spoolie? Oh, there you are. I'm still holding it up. I am praying to the eyebrow gods that this will be fine. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating so hard. This eyebrow pencil is just slipping, sliding. Can you see me still? Hello? Okay, I'm still here. Oh my gosh, let me. 7 minutes! Okay, I'm not gonna dwell on this, okay? I am so hot. Do you guys see how I'm sweating? Sorry for making these sounds. I can't. You do that. Dude, I feel like I'm running a marathon right now. I'm sorry for my glistening wet ass face, but this is just how it's gonna be for right now because oh my god. gosh, where is my fan? Okay, let's set. I'm just gonna go a little bit heavier under the eyes, just to catch fallout. All right, I'm taking about 15 seconds extra because my battery just died and I had to do all that pushing the button thing. So yeah, that's what I'm just gonna do. Taking, where you at? Blending this a little bit further with the E40 brush from Sigma once again. Why? Oh my gosh, why did my camera turn so bright? Oh my gosh. Why is my camera doing this? Oh my gosh. Hold on, let me turn it off and back on. Better, okay. Taking 30 seconds. Wow, I'm so dark right now. Look. Oh my gosh. Checking the time. I have 2 minutes and 58 seconds. This is nerve-wracking AF. Taking whatever, I'm taking the first color and the second color are correcting. Making those beautiful faces. Okay. With the freaking lashes. See, this is what I mean. My lashes are still in this packaging. Girl, I'm not gonna fuck up. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh, mother pucker. Oh my gosh, where are my lashes? I lost a lash. I lost a lash. I lost a lash. I lost a lash. Can we not make this count? I lost a lash. Look, I'm just putting this one lash on. I will find that other one, I don't care. Okay. I will take Shade and Light. I'm still holding on to my lash. Taking the darkest color. Oh, my baby hairs. My baby hairs. People, look, this is just for fun and I'm so sorry about the quality. I'm so sorry about the stupid camera quality thing. My camera is going, oh my gosh. This is so bad, but it's okay. But it's okay. But it's okay. But it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Mars blush. I'm just gonna. Tweezers, tweezers, tweezers. What side are you? This is my right eye. I hope you can, oops, wrong eye. Hope you can see me. You know, this video is gonna be such a bliss to upload because there's like basically zero editing. Okay, I have one eyelash on and my timer's running off. I still have 30 seconds. Look. And I'm looking for my highlighting brush. There you go. Turn this. Dude, lipstick. my lipstick. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, okay, it's 30 seconds over. Fan myself real quick. Look. I have to say for myself that I feel like that it could have been worse. Yes, I am wearing one eyelash, but that's fine. I could have dealt with the second one had I found it, but I know it's sticking somewhere in the back of something. So yeah, excuse my sweaty face because this was a I just really felt like I was doing this the whole time. But yeah, no, this didn't work. But yeah, this didn't work either. Hold on. But yeah, this is my 10-minute fall-inspired makeup look with one eyelash and super sweaty, and my lipstick does look like my little niece applied it. But other than that, you know, it wasn't even that bad. See you guys next time. Bye.